Hello, how you doing, family? So we have a question here. This question comes from the University of the California, from one of the past paper, and one of the students, some of the students actually saying me, this is a group of students, say, hey, can you do this question for us? So they want to see how I can approach this question. So it's straight coming from the West Coast of the United States of America. So now, let's get started. So this question is actual. Is a lot of approach somebody could have done, just like any other integral. You can either do a substitution, but a tricky substitution, but a personal or normal substitution. But me personal for this question, look, this could be the one of the best approach that I will encourage you to go for. But you might have another approach you can share with me. Now let's get started. So personal, I'm gonna face, okay. Other person could have said, oh, I'm gonna do this by sec substitution because also, yeah, sec it might go, but me, I'm not gonna take that route. I'll do this route. Look, so we have an integral. I'm going to factor out here x squared. So this is going to be 1 over x squared. Look. So you say, I'll say this. I'm going to factor out x squared here. If I factor out x squared, it's going to be 1 minus 9 over x squared. Look, and then I can separate the roots. So we have a dx. So this same as say, look. I can eliminate this x. Look, let me say x squared, and then I can separate the root, say 1 minus 9 over x squared. So this is going to give me x. So x, because it's going to be square root of x equal to x, x times x equal to x cubed. So integral of 1x cubed, and then I have my root 1 minus, this is going to be 3 over x, and then square dx. That will be the first step. And then I'll let this equal to any letter. Let's say t, u, whatever. Let's say it equal to t. So let t equal to 3 over x. I want to differentiate. So this is equal to t. So then I'm going to say my, I can take to the top. So t equal to 3x negative 1 differentiate dt equal to negative 3 over x squared. Over x squared dx. See? So another thing here, look. So this is our dx. So if I had to come, means I want to replace the x with this. But when I replace the x, I want to have everything has to be t. So I can just simply say, let me replace this x first before I go further. What is x? X equal to t over 3. Look, x equal to 3 over t. X equal to 3 over t. So if I have to remove this, but this is x squared, right? So it's going to be x squared equal to 9 over t squared. So let's come and replace it. So dt equal to negative 3, 9 over t squared. So it's 9 over t squared. So t squared is going to go to the top dx. Now let's simplify this. This is going to be 1 over 3. So this is going to become 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 negative. So I can just simply make dx the subject. So dx equal, so I can just simply write here. So I don't need this. I can just say dx, this, dx equal to 3 dt over t squared. Negative what? 3 dt over t squared over t squared. So this one, we're going to come and replace that with. But what is x squared? X squared also is simple because x squared equal to this one, we have it already. 9 over t squared. And so we can simply come and replace all of this. This is what we need. And not that. This is the one that we need to substitute because we did restructure. So we say integral dx. What is the dx? So what is x3? Because we need x cubed. X cubed, cube this. It's going to be 27 over t cubed. So we're going to say integral, okay, 1 over 27 over, because it's x cubed, over t cubed. So t cubed is going to go to the top. So we can just say t cubed because 1 times q cubed is t cubes. Now let's come here. We have a root here. Dx, first, dx. What is dx? Dx equal to dx, this one here. Negative 3, so negative 3, I can just take negative 3 out. And then we say, let's do this. Dx equal to negative 3 over t squared. Okay. So negative 3, we can just put it there, back over t squared. So we can just say t squared. You see what I'm saying? And then dt, so we can just simply say dt. You understand that? Negative 3, I'll take negative 3 because it's constant, okay? And then t squared is at the bottom, so I'll put it at the bottom. And the dt at the top, I'll put it at the top. And then we say we have a square root 1 minus, this is t squared. T square. So now is the matter of the game of simplification. Is easy. So I'll just simply say 2t go and 2t go. See, and 27, you can just simply go to the back. So negative 3 divided by 27 equals negative 1 over 9. So negative 1 over 9 integral t dt, and then here I'm left with 1 minus t squared. So now we can go back to the basic of integration substitution. I'll let this, because if I take this, it's going to give me the one on top. So let's say u equal to 1 minus t squared, du equal to negative 2 t dt. T dt, so divided by negative 2 divided by negative 2. So this negative 2 is going to come here. So t dt equal to, okay, so I can just simply come here and finish up. T dt equal to du over negative 2. So I'm going to say integral, we have a negative 1 over 9, and then t dt du over negative 2. So I can simply write du. Negative 2 is at the bottom, so it's going to simply come here and say negative 2, you see? And then this is square root of u, so it's 1 over square root of u, which I can take to the top. It's going to be u negative a half. By power rule, you add by 1, which is going to be square root of u times 2. So all this stuff is going to give me, okay, this is going to be 1 over 18, because this is going to be 1 over 18, and this is going to be 2 square root of u. That's what you can get. But if you don't know, you can get so slow. Let me show you how you get there, just in case other people don't know. Okay, so look, this I can take to the top. Let me just show you. Okay, you can take this to the top. It's going to be u, positive negative a half, plus 1, because when you integrate this, you must plus 1. And then you do the same thing here, negative a half plus 1 from the power rule of integration. This is going to give us u positive a half over 1 over 2. But u, this equal to u, 2 is going to go to the top. That's to say 2u. So we get there, okay? So we're going to say this and this is going to give us what? It's going to give us 1 over 9 u. So then finally, this is going to be 1 over 9 square root of u. But a u, then we can substitute back. Insert back the value. The value of u equal to 1 minus t squared. So this is going to be 1 minus t squared. And also we know the value of t. The value of t is somewhere here. 3 over x. But that's a t squared. So it's going to be 9 over x squared. So then we say equal to 1 over 9. 1 minus 9 over x squared. Like this. Okay, we can find the common denominator because we can simplify further. So if you find the common denominator, this is going to be x squared times 1 equal to x squared, correct? So here we have 1 over 9, and then we have a root x squared minus 9, because this is like over 1. X squared minus 1 times 9 equal to 9, and then over, remember this root is like this, over, so even the denominator also have a root, so same say, I can separate the root for a reason, you see? Because this is going to be x squared, but it has a root because this is root for both. So this is going to give you x. So this time we say 1 over 9 x, and then we say square root x squared minus 9. So if you can take all this stuff here and integrate, it's going to finally give us negative 1 over 9. You see? Negative 1 over 9x, and then square root of x squared minus 9 plus your constant. Don't ever forget to add your constant. You know why? Because we do not have a limit. So look, this patient, that's how I approach this question. However, there's a lot of ways to get to your decision or to get to the decision. So I hope you learn from me, my methodology, and how I break down the question. If you face time here, make sure you do not keep it to yourself, because I don't believe in selfishness. That's how we were raised in Africa, right? Me grew up in a jungle, starting depending on the moonlight at night. See, sometimes if we could afford, some kerosene that we're going by just to light up the turmoil, that we can use to do studies. From that to at least now I have a light that I can use to share my knowledge and my talents from the knowledge that I have learned, self-taught, using a lot of resources from different articles being written by people who also do research. So don't keep it to yourself, man. Share with other people, and probably this will inspire you. That's why I tell you how I come from. We come from that baobab tree, starting under the baobab tree. See, go to school with no shoes. I don't know, what it's like or how that feel. You work kilometer by kilometer with no shoes. We used to it. I used to it. That's how I grew up down bottom in that race. But that made me a person who I am today. See, it made me a strong man, energetic. See, the protector, the warrior, the giver, the knowledge sharer. So thanks a lot for your time. And just like I say, it's so calm from the bottom of my heart. See, if we waiting for that moonlight at night when it's starting, we don't have no power, electricity. See, go and drink water just like drinking the same pound that a cow drinking. I was drinking the same water. Never get sick because of the immune system, he will get used to that. So I come from there. But that made me a strong man, a warrior, a conqueror, a protector of the beauty of the continent of Africa. See, so thanks a lot and do not keep it to yourself. That's how we were raised. This is why I feel ashamed to keep it to myself. That's why I came here to share the little knowledge that I have, that it might inspire you in another person, because we all have a story to tell. This is why I tell you my story. Thanks a lot. See, don't forget to subscribe to this video and share. I love you from bottom of my heart. This is why I'm here. I take my own time out with no resource, with a little resource to share the knowledge, okay? I'm going to come with my website very soon where you can purchase some various products. See, just to support the movement. It's not only to support the movement, because I come with this idea so I can provide the opportunity, work, and opportunity for the people around me so I can change my life and people around me so we can create a worth generation, weight of mental and healthy lifestyle. Thanks a lot for your time. I'll see you soon. Peace. I'm out.